Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I'll be very brief because I don't have a curfew pass. Mr. Speaker, since 2019, the ministry has conducted 57 empowerment and mobile skills training. Mr. Speaker, a total of 1,969 youths took part in these trainings. Mr. Speaker, I do not wish to go into the divisions that how many youths took part, but I wish to assure this Honorable House that we have taken this empowerment and mobile skills training to the maritime areas, to the peri-urban and urban areas. Mr. Speaker, I wish to thank all the stakeholders who came on board to support the ministry's effort in conducting this 57 trainings. Naka, thank you.